Hello there, Ben Teacher here with a special video for all you Julians out there about our forum. What is our Jool Forum? Well, if you didn't know, a forum is a place where you can write posts or messages and share them with other people in the community. Our Jool community has a forum on the Jool website that is open now and thriving. It's flourishing, by the way. Students are posting, teachers are posting. We would like everyone to participate and have fun with this. It is a place just for students and some teachers to help moderate, to help make things, make sure everything is all right. But it's just for fun, sharing things and learning from each other. So I want to show you a couple things about our forum today, how to use it, all right, how to sign up. So let me share with you my screen. All right, there's two ways you can access our forum. The first way is to put in the web address. Now, the web address is www.sayhijool.com. That's our website, by the way. Sayhijool.com. Now you can put a slash and you can write the word that I'm saying, forum, F-O-R-U-M. All right, that will take you directly to the forum. The second way you can go to the forum is first to go to the website. Go to sayhijool.com. Here is our website. If you've never seen it before, it's a lovely website. It's available in English and Korean, of course. Now, this is not the forum. The forum, you must go to learn. At the top, you can see my cursor. I go to learn, and then what's the name of our forum? Well, it's called Jool.News. Jool.News is the name of our forum. I believe in Korean, it's currently called, you still have learn. It's called forum. Okay, but the forum is Jool.News. It is the same. Now, if you go here for the first time, you will find this screen. Oh, all right, that's our Korean language. But if you search for this in English, you will also see, what it should say if I go to the English website is you have to sign up. You have to log in. You have to log in for the first time. So if you haven't done this yet, what you have to do is you have to click this button right here, new, sign up. You must click that sign up button before you can log in. So sign up. Now everyone's invited, but we make sure to approve everyone who signs up. So write your name, write your email, create a password. All right. Click join the community and check if you're not a robot. If you're a robot, you can't join. So sorry, robots, but you must be a real person. So check this, and then you can submit. And then the next time you enter, you can provide your email address and your password, and you can enter the forum. And I'll show it to you now. Now, if you don't have an email address, kids, you might need the help of a parent. All right, a parent can help you to get an email address or to borrow theirs. I'm sure they wouldn't mind. So check with them. And after that, you may log in. So let me show you our forum. Here it is, the Jool.News forum for Jool students, past and present, to share their present passions and questions. What have we got here? We've got a lot of posts. Okay, these are posts. You can see at the top the author of the post. There's Colm Teacher. There's James Teacher. There's some strange bald guy. Hey, that's me. All right. You can see who wrote it. You can see the title, and you can see a little bit about what they wrote. You can see if they've shared a video or an image. An image that moves is called a GIF. If you didn't know that, GIF. All right. We can make posts on the forum, and we can read them and comment on other people's posts. Let me show you a little bit about that. All right. So we've got a post from Colm Teacher. You can click on it, or you can click comment to go to this post. You can read the post. All right. If it's got any pictures, you can see them. And then you've got a number of options. You can like it. You can react to it. Oh, I haven't liked it yet. Let's like. Combs post. There we go. You can count the likes. You may write a comment. You may read the other comments. All right. We can write a comment here. I can say, I like Napoleon. And then, what else can we do? When we write a comment, you may click publish to send it. But we can also add images, videos, files, GIFs, emojis. All right, code if you know it. You can make a list of things. Okay, and I'll show you about that later, a poll. All right, I will say a Napoleon. Now let me check if there is a GIF for Napoleon. I don't know about these things. I do have to write a search though. Let's look for Napoleon Bonaparte. There he is. I did find him. That's Napoleon Dynamite. No, Napoleon Bonaparte from a recent movie. There he is. So I'll add him. You can see that I added my GIF so simply. All right, you can do the same to add an image from the internet. I believe a video functions a bit differently. For a video, you either have to upload your own or you have to embed one from YouTube, for example, or another website. Okay, so when we're ready, all right, we publish. We get a verification to see if we're human. We don't like robots. Not in our forum. So there we are. And we have my comment there on the list. Just like you can comment on someone's, you can actually reply to a particular person. If I want to talk to Claire, history expert, I might reply to her. And my reply will go directly underneath her message. How nice. So we can talk to each other in the comments section. Let's just make sure that we're nice, right? We have our teachers who are moderating. That means teachers are checking what students are writing just to make sure that everyone's playing nicely. Okay, it's great to play, but we should play nicely. So we can reply directly to Claire saying, I agree that Nero was absolutely terrible. Nero the Zero, I agree. All right, so we can respond to her. We can write our own comment and we can have fun with this post here. What else can we do? We can view posts. When you enter the forum, and I'll enter it again from the beginning, Jool.News, you will see all the posts. All right, here they are. You can see how many people like it, how many people comment, how many people view it, and when was the last time someone commented. Okay, what else? You can also sort these posts by different ways. Okay, actually, if you go to the top, you'll find out that you can look at different categories of posts. We have these categories so far, and we're creating new ones. World issues, fascinating questions, ask the teachers, creative writing, history, favorite books, cool Korean stuff, and of course, our beloved GimKit is all available there. If you click one of these categories, GimKit, for example, you will see all the posts related to GimKit. Boy, Seojin really likes his GimKit, doesn't he? And so do we all. But here we are. You may look for only GimKit. You might sort by category. So you go to the top, and there again, you have categories. You can also check out your own posts. Aha, that's the next thing. Ben Teacher, writing about all kinds of things here. Now, you may write your own post. You may read someone else's post, comment, but you can create your own. Here's where you do it. Top of the page, on the right side, create new post. This button right here. All right, let's click this button and see what we can do. Now, when you're creating a post, you may select a category to put it in. Just like we saw the categories, you may select which category your post fits in. All right, then it'll be categorized there for everyone to see. You may give it a title, of course. All right, and then you can write your post here. And the same as the comments, you may have images. All right, it appears here an image cannot come from the internet. An image must come from your computer, just like a video must come from the internet. On the other hand, the GIF can be found from the internet. So you can search one here. So that's a nice option if you're looking for something easy to do that doesn't come from your computer. All right. Another possibility that you can have here that you may have seen from another one of my posts is a poll. What is a poll? Well, I'm glad you asked. It's like a survey. All right. If I click this, I will see that I can create a poll here, which is a survey where you create a question and you give people possible answers. Like, what's the best flavor of ice cream? All right. And of course, you have logical, beautiful flavors like this. You may add more and you may add, what's that? No. Oh my gosh. Who would write that? Who would write that? That's not a flavor of ice cream. Anyway, when you create a survey and you publish it, you'll see that the person who views your survey, your poll, can respond and you can collect answers. Let me show you an example about this. We're going to discard this. We're going to go back to a survey that I created with Ella. Where is my survey? Here it is. With Ella, my student, I created a survey, and you can see it right here. We titled it Quick Survey. And here, each person who takes the survey can click and answer, and the results are collected here in this post. We can also write questions and answers just like we can any other post. But here is another fun way to connect with your Jool classmates and teachers. All right, what else do I have to tell you about this? That's the different posts you can do. Something else that we're going to do to try to encourage you to participate, to encourage you to have fun, we can have a profile within this community, within this forum. You can see the profile by hovering your cursor over a person's name. Here is our fearless leader, James Teacher. And you can see the qualities he's got. He's got a crown because he is an admin. He's an administrator. Okay, he's one of the leaders of the group. I am too, and so are the other teachers. So you'll see a crown there. What else do you see when you hover over? You'll see when they joined, you see how many likes they have, how many comments, how many answers. You'll see something called badges, like a badge of honor. All right. If you click on his name, you will go to his profile. Let's check out this James Teacher. Let's check out his profile. There it is. And you'll see, actually, within your profile, you can send a message to everyone. Hello, here he is. He's even sent a nice little SpongeBob. And you'll see his badges. Oh, how lovely. So each of you has a profile. You can also add an image to your profile. I will show you mine, which I can edit. If you want to edit your own profile, you'll see at the top, you've got your picture right here, which might be empty, an empty face if you haven't added a picture. But click it, and you will go to your profile, my profile, where you can edit and update your information. All right, quickly. Here we are. So from here, you can edit your image. All right, if you'd like to change it, you can add a picture. All right, you can see your information. I forgot to mention you can follow people. All right, and have people follow you. You can see your information here. And here, of course, I can edit my own information. All right, here's my about page. Maybe I'll change it someday, but for now, I am a dancing raisin. All right, and I too have my badges. Okay, so please feel free to edit your own profile to put the information you want to share with people about you. Okay, don't share private information. Only share things that you'd like people to know about you. Now, let me tell you about badges, the last thing. Fun part. Badges. We're going to have badges like we have awards. You may have seen that all of you have a badge. If you're a Jool student, you're a Julian. All right, here we have it. This one is automatic. Okay, you are a Julian. If you are a teacher, you are a Jool teacher. And if you are James Teacher, I awarded him the Brilliant Bear Award and the Echo Warrior, just because. So these badges can be earned if you do some special things, like if you write many posts, if you make many likes, if you comment on many people's, you may earn a special badge that we have available. On the other hand, the teacher might award you a badge for something special. And let me show you how that works. Miss Do-Young Kim, my student. Let's take a look at her. She just recently joined the forum. She's made a post already, a lovely post, I might add, about her favorite books. Well, I'm going to use my power and I'm going to assign Do-Young a badge. I'm going to assign her the coveted Captain Jool Beard badge. Now, what is the Captain Jool Beard badge? All right, I've assigned it to her now. You can see it on her profile. She's earned it. Why has she earned it? She is going to be the special Captain of the Week in our Jool Forum. Captain Jool Beard of the Week means that your post is going to be highlighted and pinned to the top of the list. What does that mean? I'm going to do that right now and show you. We have a lot of posts. Only some of them get to be at the top. If the teacher pins them to the top, they get stuck there, and everyone can see them when they log into the blog. Miss Do-Young Kim, who we can now see is the Captain Jool Beard of the Week, I hereby pin your post to the top of the chart for 1 week, where everyone may see it in a place of honor. And here it is. I may have to unpin another post so that you can read it more easily, but here it is at the top, pinned. So this is going to be a special activity that we do. Each student will get to be Captain Jool Beard in a different week, and you'll have your post highlighted at the top for everyone to see and comment on all week long. And then another person will get the turn. We'll have other challenges as the year goes on. So keep up to date with our forum to see what's new. Ask us any questions you have about it. Talk to your Jool teacher about it. And most of all, have fun and share with each other. All right? See you there.